Let's go eat a donut.
It's just a costume. You can't hide from me. Prepare to die.
Hello.
I talked about anime for hours. Here we have the social gremlin, chilling in its natural habitat. The average social gremlin spends up to 10 hours a day on its cellular device. Oh, this is a rare sight to behold. The gremlin is leaving its burrow to interact with others. In its effort, the gremlin barges into a conversation and spews unnecessary information about indie animation series and steals their wallets. As the ADHD kicks in, it walks away from the conversation, but suddenly, prey appears. I'm sorry to say it, but this lunch won't survive.
Daddy, you're back!
Yes, I am, son. And I brought the milk with me. Let me just get... Ever since that day, I have been training so I may avenge my father from the creature who killed him. I'm coming for you, social gremlin. We meet again. I will make you pay for what you did to my father.